Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a 65 ERL PDC fully automatic neck bander. We bypassed the safeties on all the doors to run this unit. We're operating on 220 three-phase voltage. Let me give you a look in here real quick. Carries the film creel on the bottom, transfers around through and up the sides of the roller you see there, feeding down into the top of the unit. And it's got a little metal touch you're seeing right here. It's just touching the change part. Sure, a little adjustment. Unit is equipped with a registration eye. You see it right there. It's illuminated, powered up right now. So you can run a particular printed neck band that you want to orient in a certain position. As you see, the eye is mounted on an adjustable mount to correct any position problems. We have lots of tamper-evident packaging equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.